Okay, so a lot of people have questions about how do I find the readings? And let me walk you through that. It can be a little confusing. So first of all, just make sure you go into our course, and then I'll bring you to the home page. Move myself over here. Hi, by the way. And then you're going to go to modules. And there's a couple ways to access the textbook. You can do it here, right in that welcome module, or you can do it in week 1. So week 1, we look at the textbook. It's going to show us this page, and then we click on the blue underlined words. It brings us again to this page telling you it's an open textbook. And then I generally click on PDF, but all of them should bring you to something similar. And then read book. Okay. And when you go to read book, you go up here to contents and click table of contents. And then you're going to see it broken down into units with numbers. And these numbers are where I got the chapters. So if we go back to our modules page, right under the textbook, you're going to see readings for Comm 10 with chapter numbers and names. And so you will see over here for the 9-14 week, identification, self-concept, and self-esteem. The chapter numbers and names for that week: Chapter 9, Gender and Sex, Transgender, and Intersex. So now let's go over to that table of contents. If we scroll down, we can see Chapter 9, Gender and Sex, Transgender, and Intersex. So we know it's in Unit 2, and it's going to be after theorizing sex and before sexualities. So let's go back to the book and the content. So chapter 2, and there it is, gender and sex, transgender and intersex, and it should bring you right to that page. Also, if you are in the modules and you're in a given week, okay, so let's say you're in week 2. Now I'm kind of disappearing here. I'm not sure where to put my picture. If you're in week 2, see it says week 2 reading? When you click on that, there's going to be a direct link. So it'll bring you right there. So I hope that this is helpful.